All right, guys, it is a video that we've been waiting for a long time. I think we've been trying to get together to do a little project.
Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gary the Bearded Woodworker. Thank you for joining me today. We're here with Jason from NW Sawyer and my brother-in-law Andrew the Bearded Giant. We are going to learn how to run a sawmill today. This is Jason's sawmill. We're in his place. We've been waiting to do this for a long time. Stupid COVID, but we're all vaccinated now. We're all ready to hang out and have a good time, make some laughs, and make some toothpicks or whatever
Sawdust.
we're gonna do.
Some animal litter.
Yeah. So stick around.
All right.
Cue intro music.
All right. I'm just gonna keep rolling. Domo arigato.
Alright, I like that sound. Reminds me of robots.
So I'll give you guys kind of an overview of how this thing works.
Yeah.
So the main functions of this control panel is your forward and backward of the saw head. These are the debarker, which they add a little bit of complication. This is an old blade, so I'm not going to worry about running the debarker. We'll switch out the blade once we get the bark.
That kind of makes a little score before your blade
Correct.
hits it.
It cleans out the bark right where the blade's going through. So if there's a rock, mud, anything that's going to damage the blade initially. This controls the speed of the forward movement.
Oh.
And then this switch here, this is up and down of the saw head.
Okay.
So initially we will be manually operating the height of the saw head, and then if we get into doing some dimensional lumber where it's going to be the same thickness every time, we'll set that in the computer, and then all you do is tap that down and the saw head automatically goes to the next cut.
That's always a question I wanted to know. Good.
So what I do is when we get lined up to where we're going to cut, I turn the speed dial down to nothing, and then I go ahead and hit forward, and then I turn this to work into the log, and then you just set your speed, and then it'll go through, and then once we get to the end, we'll stop the forward movement of the saw.
Okay.
And we'll pick it up and bring it back. So when you bring it back, it's one speed. It's basically full speed reverse. There's no controlling the speed. This doesn't have any effect on it. So we'll
I see you're always looking a lever at the end
so
of it.
this engages the engine and the blade.
Oh.
When you pull it down, it revs the engine and it engages the belt for the drive. And so when we do these cuts, we'll get the blade as high as we want it, and then we will engage the engine. And so if you want to go ahead and raise that saw head up.
I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I wanted to take an opportunity to let you know some exciting news. A week from today, June 24th, I will be on NBC's hit show, Making It, Season 3. Isn't that fantastic? I've had to keep this away from everybody for months now, and I'm excited to let the world know. Check me out on Making It, Thursdays at 8 o'clock Pacific time. Now back to the video.
Let's go ahead and flip it 180. So, first order of business is to release the clamp. So you'll push down.
I release thee.
Okay, and then the this one will go up, opposite of down. You're going down.
Up.
The other up.
It's two-way.
Yeah, all the way up. Okay, and keep holding it because it's going to activate the log roller.
Oh, I see.
Okay, hold that. Now the lever all the way to the left.
Oh,
The other left.
The other left.
Go up with that. Okay, hold that. And now go down with that third lever. Yeah, that one. Yeah, go down, all the way down so that you can get another bite down in the bark.
I see.
Okay, now go up. Now you're going to need to go down with that. Yep.
Third,
The very first one.
Oh, the first one.
Yep. Okay, now go ahead and up with the third. Okay, go ahead and go down and get another bite.
All right. And then the other one pushes.
Well, first go down with that third lever.
Get it out of the way.
Yeah, and we'll
Okay.
drop. We'll go a little bit more to drop those backstops down a little bit.
Oh, that.
Okay.
I see.
Yeah, right there is good. And then we'll go ahead and clamp it. So up with that one.
Up with
Okay. Now we're ready to take. We'll take another 1.5 inches off of that board. So go ahead and start up the saw.
it. Nice.
So what you're going to do is you're going to pull the saw forward until the blade is holding the wood. And now you're ready to go. Gotta be honest, you guys are doing a lot better than I did.
Oh, really? We got a good teacher, man.
It's okay, Andrew, we got it. That's some fine Corinthian lumber.
We had an awesome time, Jason. I think Andrew and I learned a lot, and we're ready to go get ourselves on the list to buy a mill. You say it's about a year wait
About
now.
a year wait right
Yep,
now.
it's
I can make you
crazy.
a heck of a deal on this one, though.
Super fun to just hang out with you guys too.
Absolutely.
It's been so long since I've interacted with some bros and had a really good time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's something new. Don't forget to check out these guys' channels. I'll have little buttons and of course everything down in the description. I'll have links to their channels too. Jason's a bigwig on this YouTube, man. He's got some really good videos. We're trying to get this bro right here back in the swing of things here. So we're going to put, hopefully, our videos we could all put out and release. So as you're watching this, these guys should have their videos out too. So go check their videos too. So Jason, thanks again for
pleasure.
having us. Andrew,
Gary,
always good to see you too, my brother.
Jace, thanks.
Excellent time. Excellent time.
Thanks for watching, guys.
And this is only the first.
The first of
In-
many.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
We
I
got
don't
some
know.
plans. Some
Yeah.
stuff's working.
Yeah.
Jason's building a bunkhouse, so we have a place to stay.
I
when
thought
we
it was a
work on
Viking
these.
ship. Viking
It's
ship.
a long ship with 2 captain's quarters in it.
Yeah,
And an
let's build a
outboard.
Viking ship. Man, that'd be sweet. Sweet.
Okay.
Thanks, guys. I'm just going to use his outro.
So
Don't forget to check me on NBC Making It.
Yes.
June 24th. See you there.